When aging lap siding no longer protects the home, it's time for an upgrade. This project began with removing worn siding and replacing it with Hardie fiber cement lap siding, engineered for durability, moisture resistance, and long-term performance. The original siding had years of exposure to sun, rain, and seasonal weather. Over time, it showed signs of wear that compromised both appearance and protection. We carefully removed the old siding and inspected the structure beneath. Any areas needing attention were addressed to ensure a solid, dependable surface before installation. A new moisture-resistant barrier was installed to help protect the home against future water intrusion and improve overall performance. With proper preparation complete, we installed Hardie fiber cement lap siding, known for its strength, resistance to moisture and pests, and ability to handle harsh weather conditions. Trim, corners, and transitions were installed with precision to create clean lines and a cohesive finish throughout the exterior. Once installed, the siding was painted to match the home's previous color, preserving the original character while giving the exterior a clean, refreshed finish. The completed siding delivers a renewed appearance and dependable protection, combining familiar color with modern performance. From preparation to paint, this siding replacement was completed with attention to detail and built to last, including painted siding, window trim, soffit, and fascia for a clean, finished exterior from top to bottom. Magnum Construction, LLC. Built right from the ground up.